trying to get a stolen bike back right now. Got him. I think I got this fish on the line. He stole my buddy David's CRF 110 and tried to sell it. I'll be selling stuff around here like I'm not going to see it, boys. Little update. He decided to pull the ad offline. Said he's gonna market his sold for me and he's at work. That's somebody messaging me now. But it seems like we're in a holding pattern. Definitely going to get the bike back. But it doesn't look like it's going to be this morning. Got the cops involved. Got that, went over there to Runaway Bay. Checked out the bike. This is just going off of what Jared was telling me and my wife. They walked in there, got to the bike, called Jared, you know, asking where the numbers were at on it, what to look for. The numbers were welded over, so it doesn't have any VIN numbers on it anymore. They painted everything black and red. It looks like shit. So I guess they took it and did another investigation. They've got both of the guys that stole both bikes. They're both locked up now. What was it? Theft, $2,500 to $30,000 or something like that. So nice. It's felony charges. One of them was already out on parole. Get it here and start ordering parts. We're gonna get it rebuilt. Hell yeah, we're gonna make it great again. We'll keep it locked up this time. Yeah. You know, I won't leave it in front of the house anymore. Small town Decatur, you know, really didn't have any. You didn't have a whole lot of theft and stuff like that. Just had the bike sitting out front. The night I got home from work, been messing with them. They were sitting out front. They snatched them up. Got them on video. Tattoo gave it away. I started reading, and he was actually stupid enough to be sleeping with another dude's wife, and he posted on there what his damn address was, telling him to come to the house and meet him. You know, he'll whip his ass. So for everybody, I gave all that to the police. You know, and address, names, and everything. And that happened like December 13th. In January, they snatched the one with the tattoos on his face up. They snatched him up. I guess he went to jail about 8 days before that bike was posted on OfferUp. So I guess he got arrested, and somebody he knew ended up with the bike trying to sell it. You know, I don't know if it's for bail money or whatever, but Jared found it. I was working in West Texas and heard the phone, and he's like, "Yo, man, check this out. I'll send you some pictures." So I checked out the text messages, and sure enough, it was the bike. You know, whatever it may be, maybe they'll find the big one next. The 650.
Well, let's hope so.
So that's where we're at. So on Monday, I'll get a video together and get it to Jared, and we'll make another video, an update video, show you what's up with it, what it looks like.
Rebuild that sumbitch.
We'll
come up with get some anti-theft. You know, take some Trump measures. Maybe build a wall around it.
Yeah.
Might build a wall around it. And if you leave it in the backyard, you don't have to feel bad about shooting the motherfucker that comes back there. You don't want to shoot him in the front yard. Plus, the cars are parked out there. But if they're in the backyard, you just got to watch the crossfire on the dog. I wondered what, you know, arrow would do to a human kneecap. I've always wondered. And I got the skills to fire it right dead in their kneecap.
That'd feel pretty amazing.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure. It's got a tail light and headlight on it now.
Got her back, boys. Now that wood grain texture, that ain't easy to get.
It's $5.
Yeah, you got to be a real tweaker to figure that out.
You put Bondo on there and you hit it with 40 grit.
Yeah, you get the fucking, you scratch the hell out of it.
Yeah, that's wood grain.
Dang, guys. I can't believe they did you like that, man.
That's a Mako paint job if I ever seen it.
Yeah, I know, dude. Holy shit. What'd you do, strip the wheels? And it still had the red spoke skins on it?
Yeah.
Oh my God.
The spoke things and the handlebars. And
they painted those handlebars, didn't they? Those are the Pro Tapers?
Yeah, because see where I moved the zip ties down? You can see the...
Oh my God. So I didn't even...
Bare metal Pro Tapers, man.
So the Popo got it back. Yeah. They're asking the slammer or what?
Yeah, they put new tires on it for me, man.
Suckers.
Some CSTs.
Nice.
Yep.
Fuck them. Glad you got it back.
Minimum of 4 years is what they're sitting at just for the charges on the 2 bikes.
Nice. Plus, I think that they can get them for some concealing
violation.
Yeah.
And they also have charges in Tarrant.
I'd call this concealed, if anything is ever. So they did it. Let's take a look at that VIN, what they did to this VIN number. Let's see what made it the federal crime that it is.
Oh, yeah.
Let's get up here. I ain't gonna blow out these airbags.
They're out, man. Ooh, she's good.
I don't think they welded over. I think they just ground it off, didn't they?
No, I didn't look at it that close.
I think they just ground her off, boys. I thought they ground it off and then welded over it. Actually, that might have been what the Popo did when they got it. Oh, I can feel the weld. Yeah, they did put a bead over it.
Did they?
Mm-hmm. Look at these tweakers, y'all. Tape this fucking fender and don't even paint the bottom of it. What the? That's why he got
That's
busted
what
too,
meth
because
do
he's
to
a
you.
yeah, fucking bozo. It was like the best idea he had all year. So, you know what I mean? That was like their get rich as quick scheme. I think they ended up spending a couple bottles of spray paint and they really didn't make any money on it.
Even the factory seat cover.
Did this fucking asshole drill holes in that gas tank, or did he glue that to the gas tank?
That's glued on there with epoxy.
I thought that butthole drilled.
No, it just leaks everywhere.
You guys look forward to the rebuild because it's got a long ways to go. He already didn't get a video of peeling the paint off the wheels. That's kind of.
I didn't do it, but I got it back like that. Man.
Oh, you just power washed it?
I didn't do anything.
Oh, so by the time you got it, that was old. Damn, so they painted that. It was an old picture. Well, man, you guys get ready for the rebuild. It was a 16 CRF 110. I know it's hard to tell. Stolen recovery from some
Meth head
asshole sons of bitches. But it's back now.
They took the good grips off and put some shit grips on it. I guess that was supposed to conceal that this wasn't my bike.
That was pretty much the whole deal. Yeah, look,
Tires and grips.
yours had good grips on it. Plus mine's black. They got 817 on the fucking. So they stole these mailbox numbers, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Somebody's address numbers are missing. I guess it is a number plate, but look, tweakers done put 817 on it with the address numbers. Man, somebody need punched up in jail. They need to get.
Got that T5 Piranha exhaust.
Yeah, no, there's a
They
giveaway.
didn't know about that.
Dead giveaway,
They didn't know
boys.
about
Dead giveaway.
Like, don't paint the exhaust. That's what's going to sell this bike.
Yeah, well, he told him once he painted half of it. Hey, don't paint the tailpipe. Like, you painted the header, that'll all melt off.
Yeah.
But don't paint the exhaust.
Sure.
That way Jared knows whose it is. I wonder if your graphics are still under that. Don't look like it, huh?
I don't think so. I mean, when they did the wood grain pattern and the Bondo, pretty sure
That's
we'll never
true.
know. But
4TG.
you can see the adhesive in some spots that's still stuck on there.
Oh, yeah, where they didn't get it off. They just peeled it
They're
and fucking painted
idiots.
it.
They spent more money on paint than they could have rubbing alcohol and just got the fucking adhesive off.
Right.
But I got the new CSPs on there.
Hell yeah. The new trail tires, puss tires, I
walked in
call
there
them.
ready to show him how the dent on the rim lines up with the wording on the tires in my picture, and it's the wrong fucking tires.
So also this fucker painted the down forks on the, they painted the uppers on the,
Oh yeah, it's a special coating.
Is it all
that's
black?
Why it hasn't came off yet.
yeah. They meth cooked it. They cooked it. They meth cooked. One of them was a meth cook, and he cooked it. He got it cooked up. I bet you the battery ain't even in there. They probably got a core charge off it as soon as they stole it. No copper left on it. They got all the copper off
Drain the
it.
acid out of that and cook dope with it.
Dude, I can't believe you got it back, man. Yeah, that may just be black spray paint in the pipe there, so no worries. It's probably not burning Earl.
Smoke should take that right off.
This should just be your race bike, man. You should just send it like that for a while. Before you do anything, you should just come ride the trails with us, beat the shit out of it, then rebuild it. Show them they ride like little pussies.
Whole black plastic kit's only $105. Not for Chinese shit.
For the Honda style?
Yeah.
Not bad.
All black.
I've been
It'll
looking.
match the 450.
I've been looking at getting some for my my ATC in there I built
It's
because
like
they're a
that,
little.
a Cerebes or whatever.
Mhm.
Whole kit.
Heck yeah! So you seen this, and then you had to match your 450 to it, huh?
Right.
You was like, dude, I got to spray paint my
Gotta get my
450.
spray paint out and
He had
add
to.
the red now.
He had to color match it though. Like they had a couple cans left over. They gave him with it.
Yep.
It was actually
It's
evidence.
in the evidence room.
It was actually evidence. A lot of it had been huffed, but
Meth pipe.
some of it was still good. Some of it was still good
Oh,
for
this is
painting.
the meth pipe.
Digital one.
That's the meth pipe.
That's 2020. Damn, got his whole shit. They gave you his wallet, but there wasn't no money in it.
It cooks while you smoke it. It's a
Perpetual motion.
oh.
Yeah. So it just like recooks it. I mean, it's like a
lost me.
gobstopper that
Oh,
never
yeah.
ends. Dude, you actually strapped this one in. I'd have left it undone trying to knock some of the paint off it. That's just me. You could have got some of the paint off that, you know, good knocked a couple graphics off
Hey,
for
I got a
Jensen.
video whenever I was picking it up from the cop, and he noticed I was recording and looked at me like I was fucking retarded, so I turned it off.
Yeah, I bet.
I didn't want to cause no problem.
It's like, what's wrong with you, boy?
He was super cool, super good dude.
It's like, well, I was going to say how good a job y'all did, but I guess I'll just... You should have got there with the camera on and been like, oh, shit, this ain't mine. Right?
He was like, you did? I said, yeah, he was supposed to call you. I was like, you might want to give him a call or something, man, because he said it was ready to go.
Right.
So he went in there and called him, and he came back out, and he said, load it up. And he helped me load it, and
Nice. No tow
think
truck
we do
fee, no
some
nothing?
Paperwork or something. I
No.
need, you know.
They'll slap him with the old restitution. So he's going to get the $500 fee for the tow.
Oh shit, boys. Might have found the motherfucker right here. They arresting somebody now. He's going downtown. Now, if that ain't a steal your shit and run type of van, I don't know what is. Dude's got like 2 Harleys, 3 quads, like 2 dirt bikes, all kinds of shit out here. And you didn't steal my shit, right?